Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Animal Mechanicals, we Animal Mechanical can!
Rex Mechana Strong!
Unicorn! Mechana-Fly!
Komodo! Mechana-Gizmo!
Mouse! Mechana-Fast!
Sasquatch, Mechana-Stretchy!
Animal Mechanicals, Mechana, can we do it? We Animal Mechanical can! We Animal Mechanical can!
Balloon Volcano Island. Animal Mechanical Mission Time! Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Excellent!
Your destination is Balloon Volcano Island.
A volcano! Cool!
And not just any volcano. Balloons come out of it.
Ooh, Mechana-Cool!
But there's a problem. The balloons are popping. And that makes the balloon volcano very sad.
Did you say popping?
Yes, your mission is to stop the balloons from popping. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Balloon Volcano Island.
And there's the balloon volcano. It does look sad.
Look! A balloon!
Wow!
Cool!
Look at it go!
Balloon pops make me very nervous.
Another balloon!
Let's follow it and see why it pops.
Follow the balloon!
Faster!
The wind is blowing the balloon too fast for us to catch up to it.
I can't run that fast. My feet are very sensitive.
It's impossible!
Nothing's impossible for Animal Mechanicals. I'm fast enough. Mouse! Mechana-Fast!
Oh yeah! She's fast!
Fast like a rocket.
The balloons are popping on those funny rocks. I wonder why. Huh? Rocks don't move. And rocks don't squeak. Aw, you're not rocks. You're cute little animals with sharp, pointy spikes. Hi, I found out what's making the balloons pop. These little guys.
What are they?
Mechana-Hedgehogs. Fascinating creatures. The spikes on their backs have grown unusually long and pointy.
I see what's happening. The balloons float down here on the breeze and pop on the hedgehog's long, pointy spikes.
Precisely. We need to take the hedgehogs back to their hedge home so the balloons don't land on them and pop.
Where is their hedge home?
Look! There's the hedge.
Over this way, Hedge.
The hedge is running away.
It must be scared of balloon pops.
Just like Komodo.
We've got to get the hedgehogs back in their hedge so the balloons will stop popping on their pointy spikes.
That means we have to catch that hedge.
Catch that hedge!
The hedge keeps running away.
We'll never catch it.
It's running away because it gets scared when the balloons pop.
We need to find a way to stop the balloons from landing on the hedgehogs and popping.
Yeah, then the hedge will stay still and we can catch it.
Uh-oh, the wind's blowing another balloon here.
Whoa! Back balloon, blow away!
How can we keep the balloons from blowing here?
If only we could blow them the other way.
I'm the animal mechanical for this job. Unicorn!
Mechana, fly! Unicorn is the coolest!
The balloon is going to pop on a hedgehog!
Stop it before it pops, Unicorn.
Look! Unicorn is using her magic horn to make wind and keep the balloon away. Yay!
Hiya! Now the balloon can't come down and pop.
Okay, Balloon, you stay there. No popping.
Yay! Now the hedgehogs can go into their hedge.
Oh no! Another balloon! I can't keep doing this all day. Can they hurry up and get in?
Go on, hedgehogs. Into your hedge. Shoot! Why aren't they going in?
If you observe carefully, the hedgehog's spikes have grown extremely long and pointy.
I know! They can't fit through the hole in the hedge anymore. Poor hedgehogs.
Maybe we could do something about their long spikes.
I know! They need a haircut! A spike cut!
But how can you trim a Mechana-Hedgehog spikes?
Animal mechanicals can do anything! Komodo! Mechana-Gizmo! Whoa! Hi-ya! No. Nope. My rubber ducky! Ha-ha! What are you doing in there? Aha! Mighty Mechana Clippers to the rescue! Hold still, hedgehogs. Ta-da!
The Mechana-Hedgehog spikes aren't long and pointy anymore.
Now they can fit in their hedge.
And they won't pop any more balloons with them either.
I think the hedgehogs are happy about that.
Yeah!
Right.
Yay!
We stopped the balloons from popping.
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Yay!
Look! The balloon volcano is happy now.
Whew, no more popping.
Oops. Sorry, that was me. I sat on a balloon.
Get me out of here!
Looks like our next mission is to get Komodo out of that tree. Mechana, can we do it?
We animal mechanical can!